Yeah, here we are. For this, y is going to be displacement is to be there. Differentiating with respect to x, no doubt this case where it is to be as an your basically when we are differentiating with respect to the x, t is not going to be affecting, and this is somehow giving you the relationship that is the 4 dy by dx is nothing but to be here as an dy by dx is equal to minus of 4 pi a by lambda. That sign will be becoming to be as an cos, and the cos of twice pi x by lambda, again cos of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there. This is what the strain is to be there. Now using this all the relationship as far as displacement, amplitude, velocity, acceleration and the strain is to be there for the resultant as an for a closed end organ pipe is to be there. Now in this case the important factor is to be, again, when already in the previous session we have seen what happens for the change with respect to the uh, position is to be there. Now we are looking for the change with respect to the time is to be there. Now in this case, first case what we are considering, that is nothing but to be the time instant case is to be as in sine of twice pi vt by lambda is equal to 0. Definitely at that time cos of twice pi vt by lambda will be 1 plus minus 1 is to be there. So in this case when we are putting these relation values for the first to be as an displacement, that is y is equal to minus of twice a twice a uh, minus of twice a sine of twice pi x by lambda cos of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there. This is what our displacement is to be there. Now when I am putting these values, sine of this twice pi vt by lambda is to be there, here it is to be as in 0, but here there is no sine of twice pi vt by lambda. There is the value for the cos of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there, and here it will become to be as in 1. So remaining y displacement will be given as a here मग y ची व्हॅल्यू काय होईल, इट इज नथिंग बट टू बी ओनली दिस प्लस मायनस ट्वाइस ए साइन ऑफ ट्वाइस बाय x by lambda is to be there. This is what the displacement is to be there for this case when we are considering sine of twice pi vt by lambda is equal to 0. So that is what the displacement. For the same consideration, what will happen or what will be the relationship for the amplitude is to be there. As far as the amplitude is not the dependent with the time, and the independent of the time is to be there, that's why there will be no change as far as the amplitude is going to be concerned. That's why it is a is equal to twice the sine of twice pi x by lambda is to be there. Again for the next relation, that is nothing but to be here as in your velocity is to be there, and in this case if you look at the relationship is to be there, that is sine of twice pi vt by lambda, and here the relationship is to be already present there, that is sine of twice pi vt by lambda is there, and that will become to be 0, and 0 into anything will be 0, and that's why the velocity will be at this stage definitely become to be as an 0. So here it is dy by dt is nothing but to be 0 is to be there. As far as acceleration part is going to be concerned, we have the relationship for the acceleration as in the equation number 7 we have seen, and when we are putting these values or considerations are to be there, sine of twice pi vt by lambda is equal to 0, and in this cos of twice pi vt by lambda is equal to 1. So here in this relation there is present is cos of twice pi vt by lambda, and putting these values, that 1, what will be the d2y by dt square is to be there, it is plus minus 8 pi square a v square by lambda square into sine of twice pi x by lambda is to be there. This much amount of your basically amplitude sorry acceleration is to be there. Again moving forward to be as in strain is going to be concerned, the strain at that stage, if you look at this relationship, again dy by dx is to be there. There is correction in that book also, there is a relationship is also given as a dy by dt, so make correction, that is dy by dx is to be there. So here cos of twice by vt by lambda is to be present, and putting this value as n 1, then I have dy by dx is nothing but to be plus minus 4 pi a by lambda cos of twice pi x by lambda is to be there. This is what the strain is to be there. So these are somehow relationships are to be there as far as the sine and the sine of twice pi x by sine twice pi vt by lambda is equal to 0 or cos of twice pi vt by lambda is equal to 1 is to be there. So putting this all what relationships we have seen, what is the strain, what is the value for the acceleration, and the velocity becomes to be 0 as an amplitude remains as it is and the displacement is to be there. So only here at that time instant velocity is to be given the relation to p as n 0. So as far as the next successive position time period is to be as n, for this is cos of m pi is equal to plus minus 1. So in that case putting this relationship, but the cos of m pi is nothing but to be plus minus 1. So putting these relationships for this and calculating for the x not for the x, it is for the small t. And again considering that v by lambda is nothing but to be 1 by t, that is directly we know that v is equal to n lambda, that relationship is to be there. According to that, n is nothing but to be v by lambda is to be there. But as far as this n is nothing but to be equal to it is inversely proportional to 1 by time period, and that's why 1 by t is equal to v by lambda is to be there. How it comes to be like this. So putting these values, the t will be, that is v by lambda ला जर 1 by t जर व्हॅल्यू पुटअप केली इथं ह्या केससाठी पर्टिक्युलरली, तर ते रिलेशनशिप t इज इक्वल टू मग काय होईल, इट इज 1 by t, हे जाईल इथं मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये कॅपिटल टी इकडं आणि डिवायडेड बाय ट्वाइस पाय इज टू बी देअर. So pi will get cancelled, and here the t value will be your m capital T by 2 is to be there. Now putting the values for the different values for the m is to be there, 0 t by 2 t 3t by 2 is to be there. These are the somehow values for that time instant will come again for the next successive cycle of the wave is to be there. So this is what the relationship for the time instant is to be there. At that time instant this relationship will occur similar in that case is to be there. Now putting these considerations for the different relation, that is now we are putting sine of twice pi vt by lambda is equal to plus minus 1, and the cos of twice pi vt by lambda is nothing but to be 0. So as far as displacement is going to be concerned, displacement having the relationship like this. So in this twice pi vt by lambda is to be here, and if this is to be as an value is going to be 0, 0 into anything will be 0. So that's why the displacement is nothing but to be called to be as an 0 at that stage. So y is equal to 0 in that case. As far as the velocity is going to be amplitude is going to be concerned, it is again independent of the time, and that's why the amplitude will remain as it is, that is a is equal to 2a small a sine of twice pi x by lambda is to be there. So again moving forward for the velocity, velocity is nothing but to be dy by dt, and that relationship is to be given with this relationship as we have calculated. And as far as the sine of twice pi vt by lambda is to be here 1, so this value will become 1, and dy by dt sorry, here it is to be as an some sort of basically the thing is that what we have to consider here to be as an with relationship for the time is to be there. As far as here again there is a little bit correction part is to be there. As far as this book I am going to be following, there are some corrections are already there, and what we are facing this problem considering this cos of twice pi vt by lambda, it is to be given 0 in this book, but actually it will be as good as velocity when we are putting these values for the sine of twice pi vt by lambda is going to be the 1. So this will become to be as an 1, and dy by dt will be having the 4 pi v by lambda sine of twice pi x by lambda is to be there. So making this a little bit again correction for this one. Moving forward to be as an what is to be as an acceleration part is to be there, that is d2y by dt square is to be there. So in this case whatever be the value for the d2y by dt square is nothing but to be 8 pi square av by lambda square sine of twice pi x by lambda cos of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there. Again this value, if you look at the case where it is to be as an cos of values are to be there, cos of twice pi vt by lambda, here it is to be 0, this 0 into anything will be 0, that's why the acceleration will be definitely 0, and in this case acceleration will becomes to be as an 0 part. As far as the strain is going to be concerned, again moving forward, for the strain we have the relationship that is dy by dx is nothing but to be minus of 4 pi a by lambda cos of twice pi x by lambda into cos of twice pi vt by lambda is to be there. As far as the, again here if you look at this case where it is to be as an cos of twice pi vt by lambda is going to be 0, so 0 into anything is to be 0. So again put these corrections are there. As far as the velocity is going to be concerned, by mistake I haven't seen this part, actually I have taken as it is from this, and now I noticed that this value definitely will not become, velocity will definitely not becomes to be as n 0, as far as the sine of twice by vt by lambda is to be having the value 1. So this will be the having relation dy by dt is nothing but to be 4 pi av by lambda sine of twice pi x by lambda is to be there. So this is what the relationships we have to taken into you have to take into account. So this is what the relationships, as far as the strain becomes 0, acceleration becomes 0, velocity having some relation, and the amplitude is to be having some relation, as far as the displacement is also becoming to be as a 0, as far as these concentrations are to be there. Now putting these values are at that instant, what will be the next after phase change, the same value will be occurring there. In that case what we have taken into account, that is sine twice pi vt by lambda is to be plus minus 1. So again for the next point it will become to be a sine twice m plus 1 pi by 2. This will come to be as an both points are in the phase, and that's why putting this relationship to be as an equal. In that case twice pi vt by lambda is equal to twice m plus 1 pi by 2 is to be there. Putting these values as previously we have seen that v by lambda is nothing but to be 1 by t, small t will be having the relationship is nothing but to be small t is equal to 2m plus 1 capital T by 4 is to be there. बेदोनी 4 होते हे खाली इकडे जर इकडे गेला हा पार्ट तर पाय पाय कॅन्सल होते, and that v by lambda is nothing but to be 1 by t, and putting these values this relationship will come to t is equal to this much. Putting these values for the m is equal to 0, m जर 0 ठेवलं तर it will become t by 4, capital T by 4 is to be there, and when putting m for as an 1, the value is going with the 3t by 4. For the next two it will become 5t by 4 is to be there. So this is what the time instants are giving you, nothing but to be position as good as the relationship for the times are to be there, that is t by 4, 3t by 4. But if you subtract it from this 3t by 4, the value will be coming to be as an just like as an t by 2 relationships are to be there. As far as the phase change is going to be there, time interval is also by the half of the time period is to be there. So this is what the relationships for the closed end organ pipe, and a few with the few corrections, as far as there are the no doubt corrections are, as we are going to following that same book is to be there. So make these corrections, and it is not quite a tough job to get the differentiation and that part. As far as the closed end organ pipe is to be there, the important factor is to be there when it is going to be as an closed end organ pipe, when we are looking for. In that case the important thing is that the whatever be the your reflected wave is going to be there, which is playing important role, that is becoming to be as a minus of value, that you have to take into account, and then you will find that relationship calculation is very much easy. So thank you for the today's session. Next time we will see the another session related with the stationary waves. Till then, take care and be at home and be safe. Thank you.